Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. So I finally moved my mic behind the cheek pad a little bit and took that fuzzy fur that I had on it for whenever my mic was messing up previously. I just kept it on there, never moved it, never took it off, but it started to bother me and it was getting in the way, getting in my mouth, and I just had enough of it and I finally moved it. Took that piece off and moved the mic, so hopefully you guys can still hear me. Hopefully it's still coming out very crisp. Very crisp. But yeah, I was gonna go to the gym today, but my little brother got off late, and man, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling the gym really. Just wanted to get out on the bike. I have barely rode my bike since I've owned it, man. And so yeah, I'm gonna ride up to the mall, and I'm gonna meet a subscriber there, and gonna give him a few stickers and a couple cards and stuff, so that'll be pretty dope. Yo, big shout out to MP, Seth, Jake, and you know, all my friends in the bike community. I don't know if you guys watch my videos, but I know some of y'all do, and I really appreciate you guys, man. A lot of you guys share it, you know, to multiple pages, and you know, share it on your timeline. Makes me feel good, man. Man, it is warm out tonight. Like 90 degrees right now. Actually, the subscriber I'm meeting is thinking about getting a motorcycle. So he's been talking to me a lot, you know, asking me advice and this, that, and another. And, you know, I'm not the most experienced, but, you know, I've been in the bike life enough to know the pros, the cons, the do's, the don'ts, the whatnots. What's up, bruh? I know you didn't see me, but it's okay. Oh, man. I have a story to tell you guys because you guys never saw it on my channel, because my GoPro, before I got this one, I had an old one, I think it was a 3 where you couldn't change the batteries out or nothing. So back when I had my old R1, and Sean had the R6 before he wrecked it head on into a curb. But man, oh gosh, my book bag is hugging my gut. Alright, sorry, back to story time. Anyway, so yeah, we went out riding on, you know, a bunch of southern back roads here with me, Sean, and 2 other riders that were on cruisers, and trust me, they were hauling ass too. But so we get all the way almost back home, and wouldn't you know it, we get pulled over. Now supposedly the cop says that we were going 78 and a 45, but I know that that's false because I know what my speed was. And Sean was actually behind me hauling ass trying to catch up to me, so I believe the cop got Sean's speed and Sean was right next to me when he caught up to me, so he pulled both of us over. So, and of course my GoPro died, so I didn't have any video footage of that. But yep, I ended up getting a reckless driving ticket. I did have to take a diversion course and everything else, but you live and learn. It happens. Bike is hot, my balls are hot. I need to get out the traffic. I think I have my registration in my book bag. I really hope I do. I haven't been able to find it, but I haven't checked my book bag. Hello? 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 Yo! I got a phone call, but I don't know who it was. They didn't say anything. I'm gonna have to check at the next light or something, because I don't know who it was. Bro, my phone is blowing up. I miss having my phone mount, man. I need to get one so bad. Ow! I don't know if y'all just saw that. Whatever the that was. But holy shit, I feel like I just got shot in the chest. Ow! I'm gonna have to slow that down and see if y'all can see that. Daily one there, baby. Let's go. Hello? Yo. Yeah. Okay. All right. Bet. I'll pull up. By Remedies. Okay, yeah, I'll pull up. I'm gonna stop at the mall for a minute, and or near the mall. I'm gonna grab a drink, and then I'm gonna be on the way. All right, bet. Is that blue light behind me? Boy, I better hope not. Whew, okay, nope, we're good for now. That's fine. That's fine. Just pulling over to get a drink, smoke a little bit. Just pulled over to get a drink, smoke a little bit. Yo, yo. Yeah, that'll work. What's good, bro? So what's your actual name? Patrick. What's good, bro? What's good? Oh man. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, pictures never does it justice. Never. Yeah, go ahead. And then you can watch right here. Watch the RPMs go up. Give some beans. Give it some beans. There you go. Alright, y'all, just met up with a cool ass subscriber. Appreciate you coming out and meeting me, bro. And hope you like the bike. And I hope to see you out on 2 soon, bro. Yeah, bro. Be safe, man. Hey, don't be a stranger. Hit me up. You want to chill, whatever, just hit me up. Let's do it. Alright, you guys, so I just left from meeting a dope subscriber. And man, it's awesome meeting some of my subscribers that enjoy my videos, man. That was the spider that was in my bike earlier, and it got on my arm. So now I think I'm gonna go meet up with Seth, MP, and I don't know who else is over there, but we're gonna head to the shop, check it out. They just moved out of Seth's garage into a shop, so it'll be pretty dope to see, man. I am quite parched. I think I'm gonna get me a Gatorade. Stop at this gas station right here. Gatorade H2O. You're gonna be on over me. Who the fuck is that guy looking at me like that? That dude looked at me all weird and shit. Bet you he's coming in here too. Watch, he's gonna be right behind me as soon as I get out this bitch. What's that?
No, you look at my friend Rick.
Richard Gentile?
No.
No.
Different Richard. I don't remember his last name. I thought you did with him. He drives bike.
I saw you look at me and I was like, who the f is this guy looking at me like that?
He rides a black one and a red one. All the time.
Okay.
Is your thing like, because you have the same like body style when you're walking?
Yeah.
I can't, because if it was, you would have known me.
Yeah, I saw you look at me and I'm like, yo, why the fuck is this guy eyeballing me like that? I was like, he's got to know me or something. I was like, I hope he knows me.
I apologize.
Nah, man, you're good, you're good. Don't know if you enjoy motorcycles, but check me out on YouTube.
Yeah, I will.
Appreciate that. Is that all you got? I'll get you, come on. No, come on, scan it. Scan it, come on, yeah.
Thank you.
That's for her.
Alright. There you go, baby. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, have a good one. Checking me out. I see you, baby. Alright, guys. So, I'm ready to get to the goddamn shop. It's hot. And it's already 8 o'clock. Oh my god, where did the time go? I'm getting old, bro. Like 9 o'clock, 9:30, I'm done. I'm ready for bed. I don't want to party no more. I partied way too hard from when I was like 15 to 18. I'm done. I'm done. And I've got 2 kids. I'm done. Too tired for that shit. Come on, green light, green light, green light, green light, green light, green light, green light. No! Alright, bro. What up, what up?
Janet, are you ready? I'm virtually.
Where they at? Oh, fuck. What?
Busier than usual.
Sup, fuckers? Where's Seth at? Oh.
Oh, that's what's fucking.
Where the f are glasses? I might have left them up on the fucking... Got him. Alright, you guys, we've just been chilling, cleaning up the shop. Say what's up to MP. Beautiful, beautiful bitch. And Tristan, just met him. See you later, bro. Be safe. And we're just gonna ride out. Alright, bro. I'll text y'all when I get there. It's actually really late. Usually I don't ride this late, but it's alright. I haven't been out with the boys in a while. So, it was nice to get out. Now if I could just get out of this little fucking spot. Alright, so I had a good time hanging out, had some pizza, cleaned the shop out a bit. I didn't know they were doing that. I just so happened to pull up at the right time. guys doing? That was a good little run though. I had fun. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed, make sure that you leave a like and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure that the bell notification is on so you always know when I upload more content. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next video.